Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can use your Discord Nitro benefits. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Well, first you gotta go ahead and click on get yourself a Nitro. Like, that is pretty simple. The option is here. Do not go at my name. It's a really interesting name. You click on Nitro. Okay, my streamer mode is enabled, so just gotta go ahead and disable it. And then here you can see Discord Nitro. Now first you click it, subscribe to it. It's $9.99 per month or 100 per year. Well, basically, once you do it, it will let you know you can do a whole lot of bunch of things with Discord Nitro. You could have like custom emojis, have different kinds of themes, and upload more than 500 MB, and have like HD video streaming. Also have color apps and customized profiles. So those are really pretty interesting things. If Discord is your Discord is involved in your day-to-day life. On top of that, you have like a Nitro profile badge to flex on people, and also have like custom per server profiles and custom per server emojis. So you can just go ahead and do that and show everyone that you're the better man or better person, and flex on them. On top of that, you also have early access to whatever Discord would be putting out, and you would get a chance. You also would be able to set custom video backgrounds. So guys, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment. If you got any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section as well. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.